guys, JB here. Excited you're with me as always. I'm super pumped. This is more of a community than a channel. Would love to hear your comments down below. And today I'm going to talk about some tracking devices that I absolutely love. And one that I think is a really special company that's doing some pretty cool stuff. With that note, as far as community, I did start a new Discord group, which is the MorningCoach Discord server. And it's really cool because I implemented some of my coaching processes with it. And it's only $9.99 a month to support me in the things that we're doing. You can head over to morningcoach.com and check that out. I also have free planners and a lot of stuff over there. Be cool to just go see that, and you can see what we're doing. Pretty cool stuff. But let's get into today. I want to talk about this Whoop device. As you can see on my arm, I wear Whoop 3.0. I've been wearing this for over a year. And basically what it does is it tracks a lot of my health data. If we look at it, right now I'm 71% recovery today on 7 hours and 20 minutes, 6 minutes of sleep. My activity level is a 10.6 from a run that I did this morning, which is close to 3 miles. I burnt 1,718 calories. It also tracks my health kind of monitoring statistics. My respiratory rate was 16.5, which is pretty good. My HRV, which is really the indicator of what we want, it says I'm doing pretty good there. And my resting heart rate was 48 beats per minute in a pretty good space. There's also some other activities that it will track with the new band, which is blood oxygen and skin temperature. And I'm really excited to get into those because I love this tracking device. And for me, one of the things that I absolutely love about it is that it does a great job of recording sleep. Now, I have another device in front of me. This is the Muse S, which is a device that you put on your head, and I use it for meditation. You see it goes here, and it comes around, and you put it on. Now, it's a little uncomfortable. You get used to it to wear it to sleep for 7-8 hours a night, but it does a great job of recording sleep. It's what they used it for. Personally, I use it more for meditation, which is what I really love it for, and it works with their app, and I also use Calm, and it helps read my brain waves and understand where I'm at in the meditative factor, and it does a good job of tracking. But it really does a great job of sleep. And I analyzed it against my 3.0 Whoop that I wear all the time. And the sleep data was incredibly accurate from both devices. So that means I don't have to put my Muse device on at night. I can just wear my Whoop. And now we have the new Whoop 4.0. And that's what I want to open up today, is to kind of take a look at it. Now, some people wear this on the wrist. I tend to get better results with it on my bicep, and that's why I always wear it here. So in here, I have the bicep band and the Whoop device itself. So the band itself, let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. It is a little pricey for the band. I pay a monthly subscription of $30 a month for this product. But as we can see, the band is actually a little bit thicker. Let me get my arm in here. Than the 3.0. So I can tell you it's a little bigger device just off the bat, okay? So I have that there. Let's go ahead and open up this Whoop and see what's in it. I had to buy this separately. I own their VIP program, which is every 3 months they send me something because I do use this every single day. So let's see what's in the package. We have the Whoop package coming. We have the wrist band that comes with it. That's pretty cool. And then we have the Whoop guide with it. They have a setup guide, and they do have a battery with it, which is our battery charger. This is how we charge the Whoop device. So I'm anxious to see what the charge is going to be. Now, as far as, let me go ahead and take the Whoop off, the 3.0, and take a look at the size difference. It's definitely bigger, I can tell you that. So if we look at the two, not that much. I mean, it's pretty similar. Feels a little heavier than the 3.0, but it is a little bit bigger. So what I want to do is I want to get it set up, charged, and get it on, and we'll take a look at it and see what the real differences between the 3.0 are and the 4.0. So that's what you get in the box. A couple some instructions and then a charger cable. I will tell you that they did send me this. This is kind of cool. It's to recycle the 3.0, to clean it and give it to somebody else, and they give 2 months free of tracking, which is cool. But I actually am a big Whoop fan. The 3.0 has worked for me. Let me go ahead and get the 4.0 set up. We'll do a comparison on it just to see from a just an unboxing perspective, and we'll see how it fits and how it works. This 3.0 has been good for me for at least a year and a half. So I'm really excited to get the 4.0 set up and getting going. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Hey, we're back. I'm making a little bit of a mess here, but I got the new Whoop 4.0 on. The battery charger is on top of the device. That's how you charge it, by the way, is you put this charger on it like this. It is pairing with my phone, and you line up the Whoop with the Whoop, and it slides on the device like this. Let me change it around. And I'm all set. So it feels about the same. The battery charger is a little bit bigger. Hopefully it holds a little bit more charge than the 3.0. But typically I would charge it every 2 to 3 days, and I would put this on there. So feels about the same. I'm gonna use it this week. I'll get back to you. We'll see how the Whoop's going. If you got any questions about it, please let me know. But I use it to track my recovery. Recovery is getting to be such a big thing. That's what it's about me is, how is my recovery going? And when I run in the morning, basically I look, if I'm green, if I'm feeling pretty good, then I know I can run. If not, then I take it a little bit easier and do some active rest. So let's give it a shot. Let's give this some time. Let's see how it works out. And I will report back later this week with more data on how this device really works, the 4.0, if I like it better than the 3.0 that I have right here. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Until the next video, go have a fantastic day, and we'll keep rocking. By the way, you want to join our Discord and support the channel, head on over to morningcoach.com. All right, love to hear from you in the comments. Until the next video, have a great one.